Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create, print, and assemble Pop Rocks wrapper for the 0.24 ounce bag of candy. You can use these same measurements in any other program that you like, but today we're going to be working over on Canva. If you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Stay tuned. So the first thing we want to do is head on over to canva.com, go to custom size, make sure it's in inches, and we want our page size to be 8.5 by 11 inches, and select create a new design. Once our blank canvas pulls up, we want to head on over to the elements tab, scroll down to shape, and we want our first shape to be 3 inches across, and 5 inches in height. We want to duplicate this shape, and we want to change it to a different color. We want the height to be the same, but we want the width to be 1.5 inches. I'm going to move this over. We want to duplicate this. And that's it. We have created our template. We can fit about 2 labels on this full-size sheet of paper. But the easiest thing to do is to create your first design, and if you want your designs to be the same, is to just group everything together and duplicate it and add the second design to your paper. Alright, so you can head on over to Google and do a Google search if you want to include the Pop Rocks logo. You want to look for the transparent background. You can tell it's a transparent background when it has this gray and white checkerboard background. Save that to your computer and upload it back to Canva. So I have gone ahead and uploaded my Pop Rocks logo, my nutrition fact label, my barcode, and I have already added some text here. For those of you who are interested in a pre-made template of this blank template, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. You can click on each section to change the color. You could also click on the logo to play with the color and change the color of the logo. Click it again. You want to make the highlight white. In the shadow, you can kind of play with the color to change the color. You can head on over to your upload tabs and upload all of your clip arts, backgrounds, and different elements that you may want to use in your design. I'm about to design this template quickly, print and assemble, so make sure you watch the video to the end. Stay tuned. All right, so after you finish your design, instead of having to go to your next label and correct the same design over again, if you want them to be the same, you can simply highlight everything here, group it together, duplicate, and just cover up that other label. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video to the end. I hope you all found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post new videos. You can find the links to all the material that I use in the description box down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.